Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another fresh video. So we are getting the bike ready. We are packing all our stuff. We are rearranging everything. And right now we are just alongside the Pune highway. So this will be taking us to Goa. And we have another 10 hours to reach to Goa. So the time right now is 9:20. We should be in Goa by 9 because we'll stop for lunch and all, and then the time goes there. So without wasting more time, I'll just quickly hurry up on the packing and then we'll move. Also, we have one thing to fix, that is Joshua's intercom has broken. So this sleeve that you see, it is already broken. I don't know if it was low quality or what, but it has broken. So we need to fix this as well.
So we are done mounting our things on the bike, and now we just stopped to have small chatter-putter break. And this is our chatter-putter.
These are mushroom puffs and this is veg samosa. So we'll have this and we'll move from here.
Yeah.
So whatever we had here, it was really nice, and I saw ras malai there. Why not try one? So we took one and we will be sharing it because if while we are traveling the stomach gets upset, then it's a problem. So that's why we took one only and we'll have half.
We also ordered badam milkshake.
Yes. Oh, I forgot to tell you all that we ordered badam milkshake. This is not milkshake. This is just badam milk.
Hot one.
Yeah.
This is cold one.
Yes, since they do not have tea and coffee, we said we will drink something hot.
So it's been 45 minutes that we are riding, and we stopped to fuel our bike, and the liter today is 103.64. So we fueled up for 1087.18, and now we are waiting to add the points.
After riding for around 2.5 hours, we took our first break of the day, and we are having tender coconuts. Here is mine, and baby girl is already having hers. So the toll that we are on is Hebalu Toll Plaza, and the ride up till now is going really good. It is all straight roads. We wish we had like a super bike, we would cover so much kilometers. Like now we are cruising at 110, but if it was for a faster bike, we would have done even 170, 180. Such good roads. We loved riding here, and she's tired, extremely tired. You can see all the marks of the helmet on her face.
Yeah.
But she's a really good pillion, with the maps, with everything, telling me who's coming from behind and everything. Really good. I enjoyed. And today is the last day of the ride, and the mind is like bit sad because 10 days it was like a routine: get up, travel, get up, travel, get up, travel. But from now we will be back to our normal daily routine. So yeah, the last part of the ride we'll enjoy for now. And you have to say something?
What else is? As always, I don't have anything.
Yeah, so we'll drink this, and she was saying that we'll have fresh lime soda also. So yeah, we'll just enjoy. So we had tender coconuts and all, and now we'll leave from here. So actually, this is the highway that is going to Pune only, and the roads are so good, I'll tell you. I think we have another 8 more hours to reach Goa, so let's hurry up. And we have an estimate that we will reach Goa at around 8, so 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Let's see, but before we wait for food and all, then it takes a lot of time. But we'll try to reach a bit early because we don't want to ride on the guts at night. It becomes way too risky then. So we'll just hurry up a bit. We took another break, and we are having Red Bull. So here's mine, and we'll be having egg puff. So I don't know the name of the place. It is something. भैया ये जगह का नाम क्या है? Mote Benur. Okay. Mote Benura. Mote Benura. There it's written. Okay. So we'll have this.
And my boy decided that he wants to try pillows. Show the packet. Oh, yeah. So he's trying the pillows now. How's the taste? Pink one.
Good. Pink is also good. But I like Choco Bites more.
We were feeling very sleepy and the roads are pretty straight and we feel like sleeping. So we took a break and decided to have Red Bull with pillows by the side. This time we are trying the pink one.
Strawberry.
The flavor strawberry one. This is also nice.
You know, we were just standing here and we saw cream rolls, and when we see something it does not, look good that we don't have it. So my girl decided that we'll have.
Anupama serial cream roll.
Ichari Mugali.
Hey, I'm Zara.
Hey. Doka. This is what love means. A beautiful place wherein we could click pictures. So we just stopped here and we clicked a few photos. And now it's time for us to leave. This place is like on both the sides there's water on. And it looks so scenic. So right now we are in Dharwad. We stopped to buy some pedas. We already got them. And we are drinking tea right now. So they did not have anything else to eat, so we are just having tea. There is a lot of background music that's going on, but we'll ignore that for some time. You have to say something.
Some peda and Dharwad peda.
Dharwad pedas in some quantity. That's what Samba Satta.
Some peda, some speciality.
Yes, so the speciality of Dharwad is their pedas and we have got them.
Dharwad Mishra peda.
Okay, Dharwad Mishra pedas. We are on our way to Goa now. We had tea and all. And I came to this spot. Only the OGs, my old family will know that what happened here. So for the new ones, I came through this way and I got here all the way here and then I flew the bike from here and I was stuck over there right where my finger is now. So what happened was that it was raining, the roads were totally wet and then I met with the accident over here. The video of that, I'll put the link in the description and there will be a I button that will be popping up right now. So I just stopped to show my girl the area and yeah, so this is exactly the area. So we'll go on to Goa now.
So we are about to enter Goa right now and look at the condition of the roads. It's pretty bad and the dust, oh my god.
So finally we are back in Goa and home. Here's my beauty.
Me, count me also.
Okay, here's also my beauty. So she's taking out all her things and then I'll move home. I need to take bath and I'm very tired. So I think that's it for today's video. If you have liked the video till here, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.